Hello guys, good morning, God bless you. And today is Sunday. We are celebrating all church mass. This is the time to cooking the dry fish there in Negros Occidental, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. There are some of dry fish or sap-sap in dialect or term in Visayas. We cook today. God bless you and good morning to all nation. God bless and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. All nation my YouTube channels and all Philippines or all Filipino. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless you and can you watch every day my vlog videos on my YouTube channel. God bless and good morning. God always with you. Well to use this. Adding more oil. Gapa pa na sa subong. God bless guys and good morning. How to cook the dry fish today. Ginawa itong prito, lagyan ng mantika upang mabilis ito maluto. May kaunting mantika pa yan natira. So nagdadry dya po kasi kalawa na itong the second cook of dry fish. Dalawa na itong silupin or bakit siya linuluto mas nasaing na dry fish o ang sapsap. Mamaya magkulay ito ng brown, kunin ta at pwede na itong ready to eat na ito. Hello guys, good morning, God bless you, to all nation, God bless, and I love you, I hope you can enjoy for a few moments now. You can watch the any kind of video regarding the foods, how to cook the any kind of food and for dinner. This tilapia is a dry fish together of mango fruits and with banana. It's a very good it's full of delicious the dry fish o tilapia, call in dialect tilapia in Visayas, or for English is a dry fish. We put to the first is to make a fire, and after that to make the frying pan. If the frying pan is full of heat or heat, putting the oil. If the oil is very heat, you can put the dry fish. It's called dry fish is full of delicious, o in Tagalog masasarap ito kasama yung rice, together with rice and bananas and mangoes rep. Yung kulay ng fruits, bananas is dilaw in Tagalog, yellow color, and the banana is a yellow color or dilaw. Ano yung second batch na ito natin na nasaing, mamaya masarap na ito. Konti nang ilagay natin ang mantika kasi kaunti naman ito. Mamaya dito. So guys, good morning and God bless you. Marami pa yung makita sa aking YouTube channels. If don't forget to subscribe, all nation, please subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless you and good morning. Happy Mass today. Today is Sunday. All Filipinos, we go to the abroad, or all nation, we have a time. The time is God. So don't forget to going to the church to attend the mass. God bless you and good morning.